Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the nvlddmkm error on your Windows computer. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the nvlddmkm error on your Windows computer, there are several solutions you can try. The first and often most effective solution is to update your graphics card drivers. To do this, search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the list under Display Adapters. Right-click on your display adapter, and then select Update Drivers. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers, and Windows will attempt to find and install the latest driver for your graphics card. Another common cause for errors like this can be outdated Windows. To ensure your system is up to date, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Check for Updates. This process will download and install any available Windows updates, which can often resolve underlying system issues. Overclocking your computer, while it can provide performance gains, can also lead to instability and errors like the nvlddmkm error. If you have overclocked your system, it is strongly recommended to revert to default clock speeds. Overclocking can impact your computer in numerous ways, not just this specific error, and can cause a variety of other problems. Please refrain from overclocking if you are experiencing these issues. Finally, a hardware-related issue, specifically with your system memory, can also trigger this error. To check for memory problems, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type mdsched into the command field and press Enter. This will launch the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. This will reboot your computer and perform a diagnostic scan of your RAM. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.